guys, good afternoon guys. I am here at Botanical Garden. Look at that, so nice and beautiful. It's have a lot of shape of the stone. Yan, have fun here. So nice. Look at that guys. I imagine I will at uh, Baguio City. It look like Baguio City guys. And guys, yan. Look at that guys, we are here. There is a beautiful garden. Yan. Tingnan nyo yan guys. Nandito tayo sa Botanical Garden. Tingnan nyo. Napakaganda ng ferns. Yan, look at that guys. Yan guys. Nice. And that one. Yan. Very nice, right? Guys. Bye-bye.